Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI, SE95 PS. The car's great and it has a good spec, including an automatic post-collision brake, hill hold control, an anti-lock braking system, a jack and toolkit, a city emergency brake, a forward collision warning system, a driver alert system, and these 15-inch Sassari alloy wheels. The boot's a good size, and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a colour touchscreen, a multimedia interface, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So, for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.